welcome back my A1 day ones. Today we are about to make part 3 of the Hello Fresh saga. And I have to say, with me working out and me meal prepping every other day, it's kind of helping me lose weight more, and I like it, especially the foods. So if you haven't seen my other videos, the za'atari and the spaghetti, those are the 2 that I've did, and I've still got some Hello Fresh stuff. I would say their stuff is upholding because I did put it in the refrigerator and it's not in the box. But for me to receive this, I think last week, I received this on the 11th. So for me to receive this last week, it is still fresh for me. So today is one that I've been waiting for. The Meatloaf et lemon. I've been waiting to try this. This to me looks so good. It just looks so good and refreshing. And it's with roasted root vegetables and thyme gravy. And I cannot wait to try this. Like the other 2, the za'atari chicken, it was good. I liked it. And y'all know I'm a picky eater and I don't really like certain food that looks nasty, but the za'atari chicken, it was very good. It lasted me 3 days. I'd say 2.5, 3, because it was good. I ate it. It was real good. The spaghetti, I had to add sauce to it. It was good, but it wasn't that good. I didn't really like it, but it was all right. So this one I've been trying. I want to try. I've been waiting to try, save the second best, because y'all know the other one is the one I really want to try, and I might buy these ingredients again. So without all me talking or whatever, this includes garlic, thyme, roasted potatoes, ground beef, flour, shallot, baby carrots, pinnock breadcrumbs, breadcrumbs, ketchup, beef stock concentration. So like you guys know, on the bag it does tell me the ingredients and how to do it. This says the average of 40 minutes. The prep time is 15 minutes and the calorie is 610 calories. So I'm still under my calories because, as you guys know, I am eating this for lunch and dinner. So 610, I'm pretty sure it's like almost 13. Yeah, 1,220. So for me eating at breakfast, for me eating it at dinner and lunch, 1,220 calories, which is still under. I'm trying to get at least 14 to see results. So of course my breakfast is going to come up to that. So without me talking much, let's get into this bag. I know I told you guys what was on it, but I just want to see. This is the thyme. It smells good. I've never had thyme before. These are the carrots. Y'all, I love carrots so much. This is the pinnock breadcrumbs. The garlic, which they seal tight, which is very good. A big potato, which I'm so glad I got a potato shredder. So do what I need to do. Ketchup, flour, the beef concentration, and the shallot. Okay, yeah, so this is the ground beef that they gave me. It came in a pack. I forgot I put it in the refrigerator because the chicken, the sausage, and the ground beef came in there, so I forgot. So we're about to get started, and that's the ingredients. So let's go, you guys. Okay, you guys, as you can see, that is the meatloaf a la mode, or whatever, however you say it, I don't really know. But I'm excited to try it, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it is. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it because I like carrots, and I like meatloaf. And it said make it for 15 to 18 minutes. But you know, I feel like it's not cooked all the way, so I set it for 25 minutes, and my oven is just about to go off. I let it out at 5 minutes, and then I put the rest of the potatoes and carrots in there so it can simmer on top of each other. It looks so good, y'all. Like, oh, I can't wait to try it, and I will let you guys know. Since I did 8 patties, I'll probably do 2, so that will actually probably last me 3 or 4 days, because like I said, it's breakfast, it's lunch and dinner. It might last me 4, but I'm pretty sure it'll last me about 3 days. So hope you guys like this video, and stay tuned to the next video, and I might just continue this series until I'm done with HelloFresh. So until next time, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.